Tim Hodges, be 38 years June of this year. Vehicle assembly quality control. I actually go inside the trucks, run them up, go through the systems, make sure everything's accurate according to what the customer wants, and sign off on it. What sums up CUES is quality and customer service.
Tim Wilson, and I've been here going on 16 years. My role at CUES currently is I'm the sales equipment manager. I run all the demonstration truck fleet and the equipment that the salesmen use for demonstrations in the field. I would present CUES as a total package. We don't sub out any of our contract work to engineering. Everything is done in-house. If you have a problem with anything, from the equipment that goes into the pipe that's the control room that the operator sits in, you can make a phone call and get your answers to find out if you're having a problem, if you have a question. Your answers are going to be answered during your phone call instead of waiting 3 days for someone to get back with you. That's huge. When you're out in the truck and you have a crew, especially contractors that have crews out there working 24/7, you don't have time to be waiting. If you have a problem, you need an answer right now, and we provide that. And it's all under one roof.
I'm Karen Andre, and I've been with CUES for 27 years. I started in electronic assembly, building the cameras and the PCUs for about 5 years. Then I moved over to customer service and repair for about 3 years, and then I've been in the parts department ever since. Well, I think maybe I'm a little biased because I work in customer service, but I really think our customer service is very strong. We bend over backwards to do everything possible to get the parts to the customer.
My name is Chris Grable, and I've been with CUES for 22 years. I'm the manager of the customer service and training department. Why would a customer purchase CUES? I think if they check around, if they make some phone calls, they'll find that the support they get on the equipment that they purchased after the sale is what has our customers keep coming back.
Dennis Parker, been with CUES a little over 30 years. The way I would sum up CUES is it's just a combination of the customer service, the amount of support they provide to the customer. They stand behind the products. The products are very well engineered. So based on that combination, I think it puts the customer at ease knowing that when they're going to buy a product, that company's been there for over 50 years and they're going to continue to be there for that customer.
Frank Iannati, and I've worked for CUES for 20 years. I'm a sales manager for a territory, 5-state territory. When you buy a product from CUES, it's basically like a marriage. We're in it for the long haul.
My name is Matt Tyner. I've been at CUES for 18 years. I work in vehicle manufacturing, vehicle assembly. Here at the Vehicle Assembly Center, we basically have 3 groups. We have the cabinet shop. We have the vehicle assembly group. And then we have the quality control department. If I were at a trade show and somebody came up to me and asked me the question, why should I buy from CUES? I'd simply tell them just basically the support, the quality of our product, that we're here for the customers and we're dedicated to making a quality product.
Doug DeBuse, 33 years. I'm currently in purchasing. To me, CUES being the standard of the industry means that we're number one at what we do. We've been doing it a long time. I'd speak of the longevity, of course, of CUES, the longevity of the employees at CUES, and people, put their heart into the product and push a pretty good product.
My name's J.R. Ferguson. I've been with CUES 17 years this year. Our department's responsible for basically making everything that is sold at CUES. In my first conversation with the customer, the first thing that I would share with them is the people, the CUES people. Just as an example, within the operations group, I'm nearly at 80 employees, but the average tenure is close to 12 years per person. There's guys in our department that are at 37 years, 33 years, 32 years. You don't find that anymore, and that's what CUES brings to the table.